coffee is really cold. The earth says hello. And yeah, I'm doing stuff I really don't know how to do. So this is not a tutorial by any means at all. Not a tutorial. So I already done some pieces up here, welded in some new metal. It was all. I dropped the frame. I think we see that in the previous episode. I dropped the whole car. All of this metal actually split open because there was hidden rust. Let's get to wire wheeling.
And now, it's time for the dark side.
I welded up everything in this part right here. I'm not done. Now I'm going to backlight it to find all the pinholes. So I will turn the lights off here in a second. All that bad. So I do see a lot of small ones, but like, oh, here that's a big one. Okay, so we need to hammer. I think we actually need to hammer that in. That's good. I'm happy. So small ones over here. Yeah. So I bought myself like a hammer set. Yeah. So we do have like some small hand anvils, I think it's called. So yeah. So we can hammer this right out. All of the dust I just created, and I just painted fucking parts. They're laying here. They're all wet parts. Ah, that was dumb. I did it in a great shot though.
a good rust hole. It's so good that these cars don't rust, yeah? Let's go!
So, I think I did the right thing with just cutting it all out, and I think it will be easier to just make the bend. And also, it's not a structural piece, so there's no mounting holes. There's nothing. It's just venting. It's just an extra piece. So I think we will be fine with just making one piece and just welding that in. But I think I did the right thing. Okay, so now we will clean the whole garage up, and I think we're ready for paint. Let's paint this biatch. Okay, so now we removed all of the brake lines, we removed the fuel lines, and I washed everything down with first degreaser, and then I wiped everything over with acetone. Fucking, I couldn't breathe in here last night. I'm so glad like I have the respirator. The respirator is amazing. And now we're going to go over with some underbody paint. Okay, so I'm actually very happy. So this was the first time that fucking like when I watch from here, I can actually see the whole rocker panel just like swooping upwards, and I think it's supposed to be straight. That's It's a problem for another day. So we're also going to like smash out the inside and clean up, take away all the old sound deadening. I have new sound deadening. So we're going to strip out everything old, paint the inside new as well. I am not 100% finished underneath. I still have to do both like wheel wells on the underside, but I'm out of paint. I got the whole entire thing except the 2 wheel wells. I'm good. So I will buy new paint, and then we'll do, maybe I will do like another thick coat inside of the wheel wells just for extra protection. Underneath here, I know it's not protection. I haven't removed the old undercoating, so like it looks good. I know it's there, we know it's there. When I take it to the mechanic to get it like road certified, he will think this is good. But it serves no real protection. Like everywhere where I just clean and paint it, it's just cosmetic. But it's nice. It's nice. So and then yeah, I think we're good for the next episode. I think that's it. So you have a good day. Bye-bye.
In case I don't see ya, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Yeah.